de paría. Sigue con la bocina.
Sí, pero que ella va a comprar los pinguinos.
My notice there's a blue bowl, and they actually kind of a routine one. Some days you get to play with, other days might be additional. Keepers will toss some of their favorite spelt into the pool, and they can swim after them. Other days, well, it depends on the species, what kind of enrichment items are provided for them. But as you're running around, you might see things that don't really match the naturalistic habitat, and those are probably enriched items for our animals.
¿Por qué no se tira?
Hey, so if you have any questions about our penguins or other animals here at the Akron Zoo, I'd be happy to answer those for you.
Pato. Yo no puedo casi secar. Ah, está bien, ¿no? Vamos a una foto. Eres tú.
A mí ven, para que no te pique.
Beautiful. Condo de los Andes.
Huge wingspan.
That wingspan is definitely a tall one.
He's skinnier with the water. Doesn't he have cute ears? You're bear. Alright, Happy, do you want a pet bear?
He'd be a very good pet. A very good pet. Otra como que pensamos.
Oh, here it comes, here it comes.
¿Cómo se quita?
Crab. Oh, here's an otter. Right here. Here comes my
Let's
Luke.
see what things are like underwater.
All the way down, Luke. Other kids want to go too.
So you were underwater.
It has the same Pokemon box as me. Let's go.
You guys want to go again?
That's very cool.
What a faker.
Jurassic Park. Let's see what they got here, man.
Guys, I think we walked a mile.
They got a beard. What's you in a year? You want to have your own Billy built beard. Hay about that, man. ¿Y aquí? Sleeping.
It's a girl. It's a girl.
Eso como se puede meter por ahí.
Come on, Luna. Come on, children. All right, you want to sing back? Don't lose anybody. Look, it's right there. See it on the floor? Mommy, I don't want to.
No, you stay.
I don't want to.
You're gonna be fine. Ready? Set.
Grandpa, hold it. You want to drink some water? Here, drink some water. Check your bank account.
La cara de Matt. Avi. Avi. El cabello. Ya, con eso se seca el cabello.
Que no quería, mira que fue.
Va a salir de ahí.
Yo no quería.
Big kitty, meow meow meow. Big snuggle kitty.